Hi everyone! Today we're making a super simple dish, braised shrimps or prawns. It's super delicious, sweet and savory, most importantly, very easy to prepare. So let's get started. First step is to prep the ingredients. Here's the list of the ingredients. First, we'll chop the green onions, ginger, and garlic. Then we'll clean the shrimps, cut off the sharp parts of the shrimps such as heads or tails for easier consumption. Cut along the back of the shrimp to devein, which contains a lot of grits. This also makes it easier to season the shrimps. Second step is to fry the shrimps. Add some oil on a medium heat, pour in the shrimps. Let them sizzle for around 2 minutes each side until they gradually turn red. Don't stir too often. The oil will absorb the essence of the shrimps and become red and aromatic. Take out the shrimps. Third step is to braise. Continue to heat up the oil left in the pan. Pour in green onion, ginger, and garlic. Sauté until fragrant. Pour in the shrimps. Give it a stir fry. Then add in the Shaoxing Cooking Wine, soy sauce, ketchup, and sugar. Put on the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes to braise the shrimps. After 2 minutes, open the lid and thicken the broth. When the broth lessens, our dish is ready to be plated. For better presentation, we can pick up each shrimp and then place them into a circle with heads towards the middle. Sprinkle on some chopped green onions. Our braised shrimps are ready. They're tender, flavorful, and juicy. Hope you enjoy this simple and delicious shrimp recipe. Stay tuned for more Chinese food recipes like this.